Hello everyone, my name is Alex. Welcome to Elite Crypto, and in this video I'll be showing you how to buy shitcoins that can 1000x, 100x, 40x depending on your entry level. Please note this video is not a financial advice, as I am not a financial advisor. Kindly do your own research. Alright, now first thing you have to do, you have to go to CoinMarketCap. Go to CoinMarketCap on your browser. Now this is CoinMarketCap. Now on this three icon there, this you click on it. Now when you click on it, you click on cryptocurrencies, the drop down menu will appear. Then you click on recently added. Now when you click on recently added, you will see lots of coins there that are being listed. Some are listed 19 hours ago, 1 day ago, 2 days ago. You can see them there just like that. Now some persons bought this coin when they were being listed some few days ago. That's when some persons bought them when they were being listed some few days ago on CoinMarketCap, like 1 day ago. But some other persons got this coin even before it's been listed on CoinMarketCap, and that's what I want to show you guys, so you can take your profit before even the crowd gets in there and start pumping the coin. You've taken your profit like 10 times, you've taken up to 5 times, 3 times, depending on how fast you are to take profits and how do you know how to take profit. Also in my next video I'll be showing you how to take profits on cryptocurrencies so you won't lose your money. Now as you can see here, all these are newly listed coins on CoinMarketCap. Now how do you spot these coins and get a good entry before they come to CoinMarketCap? Alright, now this is what you have to do. First we have to make use of Dex tool. Now why I use Dex tool is this. Dex tool is where you can get all the coins that are being listed per second. As soon as it is being listed, you see it there on Dex tool. You do your research, you buy, you get a good entry level, you take profit and you leave. Because you know shit coins are not good coins. They can easily rug, in the sense that once the owners of this coin take the liquidity out of the liquidity pool, the coin just rugs and you lose all your money. Do you understand? So always make sure you get a good entry level and exit quickly, because these are not good coins. That's why they are called shit coins. Alright, now so these are shit coin. Now to know how you can buy them quickly before they come to CoinMarketCap, you go to your browser and you click on Dex2. Alright, now this is Dex2. Look at it, dex2.io. Click on it. Now right here you see all this icon: Ethereum, Binance, Polygon, Phantom, as you can see here. Now to get these coins early enough, you have to click on this icon chain here and make sure your browser is on desktop site. Alright, now as you can see, if you come over here now, we'll go to live new pairs. Live new pairs, that's what we'll click. Live new pairs. Alright, now as you can see, all these are newly listed coins. Look at listed 1 minute 28 seconds, 1 minute 29 seconds. Immediately they are being listed on, you're seeing it. Look at the safe, listed 17 minutes ago. So now how do you know coins that are really shit coins? Because they are all shit coins, yes, but to get a good coin that will not easily rug quickly so you can take profit and leave, this is what you have to do. You go to total liquidity. That's where you go to. Now how I do I will look for a coin that is above $100,000 in liquidity. That's what I do. That's why I say do your own research. I go to a coin that has at least $100 liquidity, so that I can easily get in and get out, so as not to lose my money. The aim is to take profit quickly. Do not feel you can control the market. You can't control the market. Even if it is $4 profit you see, $10 profit you see, $20 profit you see. Please take profits. Take profits. Now, all right, now this is a good example. This coin here, let me click on it. So you can see it has $182,948 liquidity. So what we'll have to do is this now. We'll click on this icon, Binance Smart Chain. All right, now so we'll look here. So you can see the history here of this coin. Okay, so click on exchange. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll click here. And always make sure it's on desktop site also. Okay, now you zoom in so you can see. Now, for you to buy this coin on pancakeswap, you need the contract address of this coin. You need the contract address of this particular coin. So how do you get the contract address? You click on this, click on this Pfizer. Okay, all right, now look at it now. 1 minute ago, 2 minutes ago, people are buying it quickly. Look at, as you can see, so many persons are buying it, so to take profits quickly. Look at it. Now you come here, this is the contract address you copy of Pfizer. You copy the contract address. Look at it here. You click the contract address. Now when you click the contract address, you go over to your wallet, either Trust Wallet or Coin98 app, and this is what you do. After copying this contract address, you go back. Make sure you copy the contract address. As you can see, 11 holders so far. Total supply is 1 million Pfizer. So you can see this is totally a shitcoin. But you're not, but you don't care. You just want to take your profit and leave. So this is what you do. Copied. Okay. Now you go back to, let's say, Coin98 wallet or Trust Wallet. Let's use Trust Wallet for this. So you open and click on the apps. Click on pancakeswap. As you go to DeFi here, click on pancakeswap. As you can see, pancakeswap is on the Binance Smart Chain network. So you come here and you paste the contract address you copied from. Okay, click on this, you paste the address you copied from Dex2, you paste. Okay, now look at it. Pfizer, look at showing Pfizer.com finance. So you import it, you understand, import. Now note, you have to use BNB to pay for gas fee because it's on Binance Smart Chain. So you buy BNB from your Binance exchange and transfer to pancakeswap through Smart Chain network. I did a video on how to do that, so you can check out my videos, watch and know how to transfer from Binance exchange to Trust Wallet. It's quite easy. So these are, you can get shitcoins very quick before it is listed on CoinMarketCap. So before everybody will start rushing to buy, you've taken your profits. Very easy. So please like this video, share and comment. I've been seeing so many views on my channel. People are not subscribing, they're just watching the videos. And please like, share, subscribe, please. Thank you.